Hey everybody, welcome back to another Plan with me. I'm Jody and this is Plan All the Things. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic Happy Planner for November 2nd through the 8th. And the stickers I'm going to be using are from the Think Happy, I think it is, sticker book. Very colorful, I really enjoy it. As usual, I'm going to go ahead and start by laying down my washi tape. For this layout I've chosen an orange with some gold accent. Not only because orange does still remind me of fall, but I think it'll bring out the orange color in these stickers. It's kind of unique for me to only work out of one sticker book, but I do like all these bright colors, and I kind of didn't have a lot of time for this spread, so I just needed to keep it simple. Now I'm laying down my big box sticker in my lower right hand corner. I like to use this box for making notes about the weekend or writing down something inspirational or, just a note in general. Now in the lower left, I'm putting my big quote sticker. If nothing is certain, everything is possible. I think I used that same quote in a previous spread recently, but here it is in a different font and a different color. So there you go. Now this, I'm going to try a little bit different, but I'm lining up my task boxes. That's what I'm going to use these for, all in one row. So they had 5, actually 6, but I just used 5. And so I put one up Monday through Friday. Again, just trying to keep this layout simple. And I wanted to see how it looked and how I liked it when I went to go actually, use it functionally. Getting them to line up straight was somewhat of a challenge, but I did the best I could. So now with those there, I am going to just now do some decorative accents. I am putting a list sticker on the far left, and here's another big quote sticker, Think Happy. Looking for some more decorative elements here. Found some big box quote stickers. This one says, focus on the next thing, not all the things. I sometimes struggle with that, but it does have a good point. Can't do everything at once. And then this one is, if your dreams do not scare you, they are not big enough. That's some good advice there too. I liked all the decorative options with this sticker book. I thought it was a good variety. Being that I put all my tasks on the top layer meant I had more room down below to add decorative stickers. I love sprinkling these horizontal quote stickers around my layouts. This one says define it, declare it, and devote to it. Hashtag crushed it. In terms of this week, it doesn't look too busy. I don't have any meetings, don't have any appointments outside of the house. So I'm going to be able to get a lot of housework and office work, I think, done. Need to work in the yard a little bit this weekend. But yeah, other than that, pretty chill week, which is fine with me. Because next week we really need to get into thinking about Thanksgiving mode, final menu plan, shopping, all the things. I decided to move that orange sticker because I wanted to add this one with black accent. And for some reason, I felt like it looked better that way. Probably because of the black on the far side. Maybe I wanted more balance. Love this big ampersand. It says, I can and I will. And then here I'm going to add a transparent sticker, and sometimes I will come along and white out the lines. And then what I did is I took a box sticker, cut half of it off, and kind of made a little graphic accent for the far left of that transparent sticker. So, per usual, I wanted to just add a few more decorative stickers. So I found these small circle stickers with words on them. So I'm kind of making my own little graphic here in the corner. Oh yeah, and then I also added that checklist for Saturday. So that'll be Saturday and Sunday's kind of task area. And I think that rounds it out. That's going to be it for this spread. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to be notified of more content I post. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.